Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Lynn. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. Shout out to all of the original creators who inspired me to do this nail art look. If you're interested in seeing how I turned all of these different inspo pictures into a bomb nail design, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how I do it. This is a short one, so I hope you enjoy. Before we get started, I have to take off my old set. I did this set about 2 months ago. We listen and we don't judge. Your girl got busy with work and life, and I just didn't have any time to get back to it. By the way, these are my natural nails, and this was an overlay that I did. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the cards so you can go check it out after this one. I couldn't include everything in this video, so I'm just going to voice over what you guys didn't see, which was me applying my full cover nail tips. These are the medium stiletto from Beetles, and I got them off of Amazon not too long ago. I think I may have lost my mojo when it comes to putting on the full cover nail tips because this was not my best application. I will be the first to admit. So if it look a little crusty a little bit later on, act like you don't see it. We listen and we don't judge. I think the full cover nail tips are great for when you are crunched for time and you don't really have a lot of time to put all that energy into your nails. Full cover nail tips are the way to go. They are basically press-on nails. You glue them on, you put the design on top. For extra stability, I did use polygel, and also because I wanted that natural pink color versus just using my natural nails, I did go in with the Rosalind polygel in the color Pearl Pink. And I also use clear polygel from T-Can. Both of these polygels I got from Amazon. I also didn't show you guys encapsulating the glitters or the chunky snowflakes, but it's the same process that I've done multiple times on my channel. If you are interested in seeing how I encapsulate glitters or chunky glitters using polygel, let me know and I'll do a dedicated video. Also, let me know if you guys are okay with not seeing my whole step 1 through 2000, because if you want to see start to finish, I can start back including it. If you're wondering where I've been at work, I've been at school, I have moved, and now I am finally settling in, which is why you guys are getting this video. And I'm also done with school for the next semester. I will not be, no thank you, school and full-time working. It's not for you, girl. Not to mention I am working a 4-day-a-week schedule, so that's 4 10s, and I'm off 3 days. But in them 3 days, your girl, I don't want to do nothing. I'm not gonna lie to you. So that's where I've been, but school is over, so it's just gonna be me, YouTube and working. So I'll try to get you guys more video, more content. If you have any suggestions, don't forget to drop them down below, because I do read all of the comments and I try to respond to everybody, because I do appreciate you all for sticking it out with me. We didn't make our goal of 250 subscribers for the year, but we do have 121, and I'm so grateful for all of you guys. If I don't get to say it, I do hope you guys have a happy holiday. I know everybody don't do Christmas, but happy holiday and happy new year. I am going to do my right hand in the next video. Hopefully I can get it up before New Year's. That would be my goal. So I'm just going to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you are notified of when I next upload. And I will talk to you guys next time. Peace out.